So, tools for the job, T10 and the T20 tools. Hi guys, welcome to this video where today we're going to do the chrome surrounds to make it look like the 330s CIs. For some reason they didn't put the chrome or the silver around the dials on the instrument cluster. So T20 torques times 2, got one now, and then you can rig it out the instrument cluster. So it's a good idea to get your steering wheel lowered, get it right down, or jiggle it around for whichever way you want when you're removing it. So once you've taken out the 2 screws, you can literally just get your finger in there and pull forward the cluster. There's a little flange at the top. Just see it on the camera. Where my finger is there, you just pull down on that and it literally slides out. Okay, once you pull it forward, you've actually got 2 cables. So you've got one there and then one there. So you can see a little bit on the top there. Get my finger near it, a little bit sticking up. Will come back a bit just under me now. You push that down and then this white clip literally will spring back, and it'll be the same for the other side. So I'll do that because it's a bit tricky with one hand and show you it removed. Okay, so once you remove the cables, pull your steering wheel as far up towards you as you can, and then you should be able to twist this forward and slide it out, and then you can see your 2 cables. Okay, so once you've removed it out, you've got 3 on this one, T10 torques, one there, one in the middle, barely see it, and then one the other side. I don't know if this has got 2 missing, sometimes you have them there and there as well. Oh, actually, yeah, one at the top. It's also got another one missing. There should be one there as well. Okay, so once you've removed the T10 torques, little screws, then you should be able to just lift off the grey backing. So these are the little screws. But once they've come out, you can literally just lift the top off. Okay, so that's now been lifted out. So treat that very carefully. Place it upright somewhere, and then you've got access to where we can push fit the dials. Be careful of this because this moves about, and these have got little springs in them, so don't lose your springs. Okay, so I've got the rings, so I'm going to come up from underneath an angle to get these in, and then get them into position, and then you just literally push down into place. Hopefully mine will work because someone's done this carbon look, which is some sort of transfer sticker, so we'll see how we get on. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. That's fitted in nicely, so now I'm just going to fit in the rest of the dials. Okay, with some of the smaller rings, you just might have to sand some of the little edges because they're not quite sitting flush, so just get a little bit of sandpaper or use a fine file just to take these little joins just to smooth them out a little bit. The 2 bigger ones have gone in, they're sitting flush, and I've removed the carbon look because that was causing a problem. So now I've sanded that, it should go in nicely. Okay, so all the rings are in now, all sitting flush because they should rise, so they're sitting flush with the black part of the dash all the way around. That was a bit of a mission to get the little ones in. Another little tip, so when cleaning the inside glass where you may have got little fingerprints, just use a bit of tissue, because if you start using cleaning agents it'll probably look worse than what it is. So when you're dropping in this main circuit board, you have to have these both on the horizontal position, and you know what I mean when you do it, because it'll sit flush, otherwise these are not sitting correctly. So as I say, make sure they're horizontal, and then you can always hold that, just double check it, make sure your bits line up, because they're just like inserts inside there, and then you're okay to put the rest back together. When you put in the rest of the plastic cover back on, them same two little black bits, make sure they line up each side. Where is it? There and there. And then that sits in, so then they're secured, and then that obviously gives them an anchor point and keeps the tension on the spring. So there we go, all the back in place, circuit board. Just double check them, make sure you got your springiness in them. Yeah, they're all good, and all the dials are nice and flush. So literally just got to plug it back in and fit it back in with the cables and the two T20 torques. So I've got one cable in, literally have to do this job blind because you can't see around there, but make sure you've got these in the right position, ready to lock into place, because otherwise you'll have a nightmare trying to get it in. So start off like that, and then once it's in, just lock it in place. So yeah, you just turn your little dial on the right, this one, and you can reset your clock. Okay, thanks for watching, please subscribe. So using the right button, you can change from 24-hour to 12-hour just by pressing it, and to change the time just turn it clockwise to increase the minutes, anti-clockwise decrease the minutes. If you hold it fully round to the right or left, then it will spin around a lot quicker, and that's basically how you do it, nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we're going to do the reset on the service indicator on the BMW 3 Series E46. So if you just hold this in until it comes up with reset on the dash, like that, and then hold it in again, and then that just flashed, so that should be it, service indicator reset. Sometimes you do get problems. If it hasn't been serviced for a long time, then you may need to go in through the OBD socket, and I've just done a video previously on how to locate that, and you may have to download some software to clear it if it's been so long. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome to my video on the BMW E46. I've got the tyre pressure sensor light come on, so I've just re-inflated the tyre to the correct pressure. So to reset this, you'll have a button on your control panel down the bottom next to the anti-skid control. Maybe slightly different for the American ones, but it's basically the same button. So when it's illuminated red, all you need to do is literally hold in the tyre pressure sensor button, and then you'll find your icon will go amber. So when it goes amber, take your finger off the button, and then hopefully this will go out. If it doesn't go out, then oh, sorry, it's gone out. So yeah, when it's on red, hold your finger on the tyre pressure sensor button until it goes amber, like mine just did, and then once it goes amber, take your finger off the button, and then it's reset for you. Okay, hope this helps. Please subscribe, share the video, give it a like, make a comment, whatever you want. All the best. Thanks.